have something fun to share with you today. As you can see, we've already decorated for Christmas. It's a very blah, gray, rainy day here in Kentucky, but I think I have something that's going to perk me up. We have a favorite season in Kentucky, and probably no matter where I am. In fact, I don't like when I'm not in seasons. We love fall, we love autumn. I love the colors of fall. And so we have ordered a Monet print. Well, I guess it's not really a print. It's from First Art Gallery, and artists take masters and they reproduce them. And you just tell them what picture you want. And I decided that I wanted to get for a Christmas present a Monet, impressionistic, but not as impressionistic as some of his works. I'm going to share this beautiful photo with you. I mean, not photo, canvas with you. It is, I should have another person, but I'd like to keep this sort of a surprise until we get our stretching done and our frame done. This is just a beautiful, beautiful lakeside print. It has a church at the top of it, leading up to it, and I just think our house will look brighter, especially on dreary days like this when we have beautiful fall colors. I think the artists at First Art Gallery do a tremendous job, and holding up a canvas that's not stretched yet doesn't do it justice. So after I get it stretched, I'll add to this post and put the stretched item, and then when our frame gets made, I'll show you the whole thing put together on our wall. But what a wonderful Christmas surprise, even though it's early for Christmas. It's got a sailboat and a little town. And the one part I don't know if you can see, but it has reflections of the tree. Boy, this is really bendy. Should have had some help here. Had some bendy reflections in the water, and it's just gorgeous. So I'll share more of my Monet after it's stretched and easier to show you. Meanwhile, why don't you pick out one of your favorite picks and get one. It's nothing like having real art in your home, even if it's not the original Monet. Have a great day. God bless.